The Total Control Products Panhard Bar system for leaf spring suspensions greatly improves vehicle handling response by providing superior control over side-to-side movements of the rear end housing. Installation and proper setup provides a noticeable change in vehicle handling, with a more direct and connected feel during cornering. The Panhard Bar component is part of a fully featured system with weld-on frame brackets integrating the anti-roll bar mounts and bolt-on leaf spring plates with built-in shock mounts and tie-down loops. Multiple mounting holes for each end of the Panhard rod allows the system to be used at multiple ride heights and provides adjustment of the vehicle roll center. Altering the roll center affects the understeer and oversteer characteristics of the car and is a quick and easy method to achieve the best handling performance. For more information, go to TotalControlProducts.com.